Hello friends, I'm Varun Vohra and welcome to my channel IT with Varun Vohra to master the fundamentals. Friends, as we are making progress on our ITGC journey, I got a few requests and questions related to change management testing. So I decided to cover it in a separate video today as many of you will have this question and it is important to understand this concept for any risk, security, compliance or audit assessment. So the question we have here, which I've also listed here on the board, is what are the next steps when you identify a deficiency or finding during change management testing? So the video today will help understand the ideal next steps when you identify a gap or a finding as part of your change management testing. Friends, first let's take a look at what type of findings may result from change management testing across any layer, because then only we can evaluate what are the ideal next steps.